everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Hey Kangaroo review. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether Hey Kangaroo is a legit product or a scam one. Guys, this is not our product. If you have never ordered this product, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll show you the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and here you can see a product which is Hey Kangaroo. And this doorbell camera became a subject of speculation ever since it was announced. Yes guys, the USP of the product is its incredibly low price, which is only $20. And a lot of people in the United States place their orders to get this doorbell camera for themselves. So before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit. So let's talk about the extraordinary specifications of this product. Guys, this product works with 3 AAA batteries. Also, this product supports the version of Alexa and Google's Assistant, which is a good thing. And apart from that, the product has a battery life of 18 months. That is one thing not to be missed out for Hey Kangaroo reviews. So here you can read the specifications of this product. And here is the section of reviews. You'll find various positive customer reviews regarding this product and they are satisfied with the quality of product. Now let's talk about the pros of Kangaroo doorbell camera. So guys, the product is priced at a mere $20, which is one of the biggest good thing about this product. And apart from that, a good safety option at a reasonable price. You can buy this product at an affordable price. Now guys, the question comes, is Kangaroo doorbell camera legit? So yes, I would say the Kangaroo doorbell camera is legit and you will know that the $20 is only for the camera. And for Hey Kangaroo reviews, please note that if one gets the entire set that consists of Kangaroo siren, keypad device and Kangaroo chime, then it will cost the user $79. So you can read the extra information by visiting this website, and here you'll find a FAQ section. You'll find some questions related to this camera and you can get the answers by reading these questions. So if you want to know the pricing structure of this camera, then simply click this pricing option and FAQ section is there, or you'll find devices and contact us section as well. And guys, the camera works only by detecting motion as it clicks a few pictures in action and then sticks them together to form a GIF. So guys, let's talk about customer reviews because customer reviews shows the legitimacy of a product. So people have mentioned quality issues in Hey Kangaroo camera, but they said that the quality of the image generated by the camera is not up to the mark, and few customers are satisfied with the work function of this camera and are also satisfied with the affordable price. And guys, this product has social media existence on Facebook and Instagram. You can take a look at the social media platform of Facebook and you can also read the reviews regarding this product. So guys, in the final verdict, this product seems to be legit and buyers can choose the same keeping all factors in consideration. And guys, if you have also ordered this product before, then share your experience with us And if you have any problem with your money, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Be informed, and thank you.